Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get HBO Max with Cricket. So first things first, before you do this, so to access Max, there are a few simple requirements. First, you need to have subscribed to the $60 a month unlimited plan. And if you're on a multi-line account, at least one line needs to be on that same plan, okay? Plus, you want to make sure you have an online Cricket account. And if you don't have one yet, guys, you can easily create one online or download the MyCricket app for your Apple or Android device. Then, all you need to do is open up the Max app on your smart TV and your connected device and select Connect with Provider. Grab a second device to scan the QR code or type in that code at max.com/provider. Go ahead and select Cricket as your provider and then just enter your Cricket username or password. Now you can just go ahead and enjoy watching Max, and if you're doing this on your mobile device and tablets, download the Max app or visit max.com and click sign in. Then select connect with provider and choose Cricket Wireless. Just log in with your Cricket username and password, or you can go ahead and create a new Cricket login if needed. Okay, then just create your Max account and then you're ready to stream. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.